Welcome back to American AI Masterclass. If you own a business, whether it is a small local shop, an online store, or a growing company, this video is going to show you exactly how ChatGPT can save you hours every single day, help you grow faster, and automate the tasks that are eating up your valuable time. Let us get started. On screen, I will show you real examples you can copy today. Use case 1 is writing professional business emails. Whether you need to reach out to partners, respond to complaints, follow up with clients, or write proposals, ChatGPT produces perfectly professional emails in seconds. Notice how this single prompt generates a complete polished email that would normally take 20 to 30 minutes to write. Multiply that across every email you write in a week, and the time savings are enormous. Next, let us fill your content calendar fast. Use case 2 is creating marketing content. Instead of spending hours every week thinking about what to post on social media, ChatGPT can plan your entire content calendar in minutes. This prompt creates a complete 7-day Instagram plan with captions, calls to action, and hashtags, all perfectly targeted to your specific audience. What used to take hours now takes seconds. Now, let us handle complaints with empathy. Use case 3 is handling customer service. Every business faces complaints and difficult customers. ChatGPT can help you respond professionally, empathetically, and effectively every single time. This response strikes the perfect balance between apologizing sincerely and offering a clear solution that retains the customer. You can adapt this approach for any type of complaint or customer service situation your business faces. Ready for a growth roadmap? Use case 4 is business planning and strategy. ChatGPT can act as your personal business consultant, giving you expert-level strategic advice tailored specifically to your business situation. This prompt produces a complete 12-month growth strategy with monthly milestones and specific actionable steps. The kind of advice that would normally cost thousands of dollars from a business consultant, all customized for your goals and constraints. Finally, let us write copy that sells. Use case 5 is writing product descriptions and sales copy. Every product in your store needs a description that not only informs but persuades customers to buy. ChatGPT produces beautifully written product descriptions that connect emotionally with your target customers and drive sales. What used to require a professional copywriter can now be done in seconds for every single product in your store. Here are all 5 business use cases: professional emails, marketing content, customer service, business strategy, and product descriptions. All the business prompt templates from today are available in the video description below, completely free. Scroll down, copy them, and start using them in your business right now. ChatGPT is like hiring a professional writer, marketer, customer service specialist, and business consultant all in one, completely free. Start using these 5 techniques in your business today, and you will immediately feel the difference. All prompt templates are in the description below, so scroll down and grab them now. In our next lesson, I will show content creators exactly how to use ChatGPT to grow their channels and create viral content. Subscribe to American AI Masterclass right now, hit that bell notification, and I will see you in the very next lesson. Subscribe and watch the next lesson linked on screen. Links and free prompts are in the description.